Do-it-yourself Dell, and I'm going to be installing a couple of coat hooks. They tend to a package, and we've already installed 3, and this is what they look like. Same kind of thing when you went to school and you hang up your coat and scarf and everything. And so we've got, and the screws that come with it are kind of short, but they seem to be working. They seem to handle quite an amount of weight. So we're going to try this right here and hope for the best. Okay. Okay. A little more. There. I guess that's pretty snug. We'll shoot another one in, and let's see how we do. That's pretty good. This. Yeah, that's pretty good now. We're going to give it the acid test by hanging up a really heavy coat with liner. And we'll see how this goes. Seems to be holding up pretty good. And we've already got a similar hook over on the other end there that holds this coat. So I'm fairly confident that this is going to work. And just to make sure, I'm going to get another screwdriver and try to tighten it up a little. Okay, so I'll try this just to make sure. Seems to be in there pretty good, so there you have it. We didn't prearrange anything, so that was just a real-life installation. And I hope this might engender some ideas around the house. Maybe you could neaten things out by hanging things up. And like I say, there's 10 of these in the package, and it comes with the screws. So it's just a question of shooting them through. And we didn't use pilot holes, because the screws are kind of small. So Dell signing off on this one.